Hey everyone, it's Tom Crowder with another Rockstar Minute. And listen, unfortunately, real estate is the answer. We grew up in Mississauga, middle class. For years after I graduated university, I was always struggling with the idea of like, how can I take care of myself, take care of my family? How can I, quote unquote, get ahead? And you know, Nick and I eventually came to real estate, and even now, after being in real estate for years and here helping hundreds and thousands of investors and running Rockstar Real Estate, we're always still questioning: is real estate the right way for us and for everyone that we're helping? And the data that we always look at convinces us that it is. And check this out. The New York Times has these charts. Now they're a little bit dated, but they're still very valuable. So look at this. This is income growth in 1980. If you look at this chart, what you're looking at, everyone on the middle towards the left is the lower income. Everyone on the middle to the right of this chart is represented, those people are represented as people who have higher income or so. And the further right you go, you basically are more and more wealthy, right? The extreme right is the flat out super rich. Now, if you look in 1980, income growth really benefited those who had the lower income. So middle income or lower income, their income growth was growing faster than those who had more money. You can see the people on the right, the wealthy, their income was not growing as fast. So in 1980, I would say that's a good thing. As a country, I think we want the people in the middle and who have lower incomes for their income to grow faster than people who have more income. Now, if you look at the chart in 2014, look what has changed. So if you look at the far left, their income growth now is next to nothing. And the extreme super wealthy on the far right, their income growth, and look, the further right you go, so if you go right to the 1% there, their income growth is skyrocketing. You know, that's kind of fascinating to me. And if you plot these against each other, which the New York Times did, you can see how 1980 is represented and then 2014 and what's happened. And the reason, you know, so the question we would ask is, why exactly is this happening? And to us, the reason this is happening is once you understand the money game and the way money works, especially since about 1971, you realize that those people who have assets automatically get the gains. And if you're living paycheck to paycheck, as most of the middle class is, your income is being worth less and less over the years. So you want hard assets in your life because the money system is set up that for those things to go up in value faster than your income. Rightly or wrongly, we can argue that. And I would say, unfortunately, real estate is the answer, because when you own real estate, you have to deal with a lot of stuff. You have to save money to qualify to buy it. You have to deal with the banks and deal with lawyers. You have to deal with real estate agents, and you have to deal with tenants and the tenant board, and you know, handle repairs, and there's unexpected things that you have to do. There's definitely hard work with real estate, but over long periods of time in today's money system, if you can buy good properties in good areas and make them cash flow and hang on to them for dear life so you can ride the ups and the downs and survive 5 years and 10 years and 15 years. This is the way that we believe we can all get ahead in this money system. So anyway, hopefully that gives you something to think about. Until next time, your life, your terms.